is the rotating lens. Like, super cute. Period. Hey guys, let me share with you my growing collection of old cameras. Let's start sa pinakaluma, which is this one. This is the Casio QV200, which was released in 1997. Yes, ganun na siya katanda. Super cool ng feature niya, which is the rotating lens. I got this from Japan Surplus, 100 or 200. Nung kinuha ko to is nag-work siya, pero parang tsampuhan lang na mag-work. I'll be sharing a clip na nag-work siya and some sample photos if I can see. Next one is this Sony Cybershot U20. Super tagal na nito nasa amin. Siguro bata pa ako nandito na. Sa tita ko to actually. This one is from Japan, I believe. It's one of the tiniest camera ever invented. Like, super cute. Still working, however, hindi na siya nalalock. So, kailangan tinetape siya dito or hinahawakan siya dito para gumana. To turn it on, you either press the button here or slide it down. Cool, right? The next one, ito na yung last ko na binili. This is the Canon A100. Same year lang sila na-release nung Cybershot U20. Cool feature from this is to turn it on, you have to parang slide or click this one. And then there's the lens, and let's test it. Period. Before, I had the A200, which is yung may mas latest version niya. It's kind of blurry kasi super liwanag, but yeah, I love this one and I got it sa Japan Surplus for only, guess how much? Yes, 500 pesos. Last on my collection is this Handycam or camcorder from Sony. This is the Sony DCR SR52. So this was released in 2007. So medyo may pagka-latest or modern na siya. Ayan. I love it so much. It has a, of course, flippable screen. I bought a wide lens for it. So, shop ko lang to nabili. It makes it so bulky and sobrang lipat. Yeah, so there you are. Those are my collection of cameras. I am so obsessed. The older, the better for me.